In this video, I'll be showing you how to send an email using Gmail on your Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do, regardless of whichever Android phone you have, by default, your Gmail application is going to be pre-installed on your phone. So go over to the Gmail app, ensure you're signed in. Now, if you want to send an email, press compose on the bottom right, and then you're going to get options to send it to someone. And then obviously as a subject, you can put anything you want. And then all you're going to have to do is compose the email you want to as well. So you can type in anything you want. Of course, you can add GIFs, images, or anything like that. If you do want to add images or any file attachments, you can do it right from your phone. So what you want to do is on the top right, press the attachments icon. Then you're going to see you can select something from your photos. You can take a picture, add something from your files, or even add something from Google Drive as well, since it all is linked to Gmail too. But then once you're happy with your email, on the top right, you're going to see that little arrow icon, or just like the paper airplane. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to send it to whoever you put the email to. And yeah, it's as simple as that.